Hi everyone, I am Samir Ranjan Sahu and welcome to my channel Research Techniques, where you will get to know all the whats and hows of research. So today we will be looking into something very interesting. So today will be how to find your journal, your research articles, your research paper. It is about finding them and how to download them. Okay, finding and downloading. So research articles are like jigsaw puzzles. Okay, there will always be one piece missing. So today I will be helping you to find that one missing piece. How? It is simple as Google only. Google provides a lot of ways in which we can search our required research articles. Okay, so let's get into that. The first thing, it is Google Scholar. Okay, you all must know about Google Scholar. Okay, this is about finding your articles. Okay, suppose now you are looking into something, let's say COVID. Okay, see, so we are getting some results. Okay, we can set the custom range. Okay, and here you can find all those papers related to COVID. Okay, you can now COVID and vaccine. Okay, now COVID and vaccine, both all those papers that you are seeing here are related to COVID and vaccine. Let's try something else. Passive cooling and electronic devices. Okay, passive cooling, electronic devices. So you are getting something here, include citations, include patents also. Okay, you can see. Okay, since let's say about 2020, from 2020 whatever the research has been conducted, what the papers have been published regarding to passive cooling and electronic devices, just you can use and or simply passive cooling of electronic devices. Okay, so this is one way where we are able to find our required research article. Now there was another thing which I found. It was, let's see, Google Scholar medical research. Okay, I was just browsing and I found something very interesting. Yeah, this one. This is exactly like Google Scholar, but it is specifically for medical journals only. Okay, it is special for medical journals. See how you can search. Let's again go into COVID. Okay, let's add it here. See, you can see the query box has been added here. COVID, vaccine, and let's say about any country. Since I am from India, let's say India. Okay, now search. See, whatever you are getting, it is from India. COVID vaccine India, whatever results, whatever papers have been published, they are all here now. Okay, let's try something else. Going to advanced search. You can directly type it here also, and see the history is showing that there are a total of 832 results, about 832 research articles on this. Now let's go to another, let's say HIV and immunity. Okay, see, HIV, I don't think there is anything like immunity, so it's coming community, but still I think it is more. No, it is there. HIV 1, vaccination, immunity. Okay, so by this way you can also find the journals, the research articles. So there are two ways. Either you can use Google Scholar or you can use PubMed. PubMed is specifically for medical journals only, and Google Scholar, I think it is for everything. It includes everything. Now this was the part where we got to find our research article. Now is the time how to download it. See, some of them might be free. See, I think this one is free. Let's say save in abstract PubMed. Let's see, create file. Let's see what happens. Okay, no, this is not that. I don't think that this one is free. Let's see something else. HIV community, cancer. Okay, breast cancer is a very, very serious problem for a woman. Let's see, treatment for breast cancer, and cite full text form FP. Let's see. Actually, I have never used PubMed. I'm from engineering background, so I have always used Google Scholar and everything, not this one. So all those people who are from medical background, they can use this, and I think it is much better platform for medical journals actually. Okay, I don't know how you can download it from here. Either this one is not free, or here I don't have access to download it for free. Okay, but you got the point how you can view this one. Okay, similarly here also, let's see whether it is free or not. Okay, this one is free. Oh no, sorry, it is not free. My apologies, it is not free, but you can get this for free, I think. So we all know about SCI Hub. So let's see which extension is working now. It is completely a hit and trial method. I think this one is working. This is something different. Okay, I think scihub.sc is, for the timing it is working. Let's see whether I can download anything for anything. Control C, open. Yo, see, I got this one. Okay, you can easily download it from here. Let's see if I can get some medical journals. Breast cancer, treatment for breast cancer, treatment of breast. Okay, is there? Wait, PMID. Okay, I will copy this PMID and open. Let's see if I can get anything or not. Let's hope we get it. I can try another one, treatment, and see here, article not found. Okay, I think not this one. Let's see, I can go for another one. Okay, here see, you can get article type, what type of article type you want: books, documents, review, systematic review, everything. I don't think that it is able to find this one. Let's see another thing. Let's go again for COVID. Okay, free full text. Whether, let's see whether I can get something or not. Okay, it's just hit and trial method. Once you get, okay, DOI, let's see, I can copy this DOI here, and let's see what is coming. Oh, see, I got this one. So you can download this from SCI Hub. Now it is currently scihub.se. But one more thing, if all these are not working, there is another website, booksc.org. Okay, booksc.org. See here, you can either general search, full text. Okay, everything you can get it here. Let's see whether this DOI works or not. See, I got this one. Okay, it is not currently here, but it is coming soon. Okay, no problem. Let's see whether I can get this one. Search. Okay, no articles. but I have found this one very useful, this particular website, bookacy.org. The extension changes, it's not a problem. Earlier it was something like this, b-ok.org. okay, now it is not working. Okay, you can even get lots of free ebooks here also, articles also, and I have found this very useful. So if this SCI Hub is not working, you can always find it here. The only problem is sometimes you will get, sometimes you might not get. Okay, whatever journals which I tried to find, I got it here. Around it was 80 to 90% of success. Okay, let's see if I can get something else. Original paper, let's see. Search options, okay, no matter, search. Okay, I think wait a second, because of this I think I am getting some problems. Okay, Control C, Control V, search. Yeah, see, I got this one. It is an article. I got this one, broadband radioactive. See, it works. Okay, I don't know how many times you can download it per day, but last time which I remembered, this particular website bookacy.org allowed me to download only 10 papers per day. Okay, and if you are looking for some books, let's see, is there any books on cancer? See, I am getting lots of books on cancer. Next, let's say multi-phase flow. I am getting lots of books on multi-phase flow also, and articles. So see, this is a okay, multi-phase flow. I think it is not suitable for finding article, this particular search term. It is for books. So see, there are lots of things that you can find it here. Okay, free ebooks, free articles. Okay, and here SCI Hub, the extension currently working is scihub.se. Okay, so these are the two websites where I have found all my journals. Okay, you can just search from Google Scholar, or you can search from PubMed, copy the DOI, PMID, the title, anything, paste it here, and you will get your paper. Okay, so that was the only missing piece which I think we were able to find. Okay, and I hope this has been a very useful to you, and thanks for being with me, and stay tuned for more whats and hows of research.